The Reports tool allows you to create a variety of shareable reports containing data from your engagement. Reports can be accessed via the panel on the left-hand side of the results dashboard. Depending on the settings for your account, you may see up to 7 kinds of reports: Thoughts reports, interactive web reports, slides, leader insight reports, data download, contact information, and insight to action report. A thoughts report is a list of thoughts presented from the highest rated to the lowest rated. These thoughts can be filtered by any participation grouping question or survey question that you've asked. You can limit the number of thoughts or include all the thoughts from the engagement. You can also choose to sort the thoughts by simple average or the weighted Bayesian average, which considers the number of participants who rated the thought. Finally, you can choose whether or not to include any comments that have been added to the thoughts. Once we've given our thoughts report a title, we can click Generate, and this is what a thoughts report looks like. If you've chosen to include any filters that your viewers can use around your participation groups or survey question responses, those will appear at the top of the thoughts report. Interactive web reports include thoughts, themes, engagement statistics, and provide leaders with the opportunity to write custom descriptions for each, along with an introduction and concluding statement. They're a great option for summarizing the results of an engagement and sharing them back with participants. Leaders can select which thoughts report or theme set from their results dashboard will appear in the report, all of which can be changed by clicking the pencil icon in the top right corner of the relevant section. You can also choose whether to apply any filters or include comments that have been included on thoughts as well. Once you've set up your report the way you want it, click the Save button at the bottom of the page, then copy the link to share the report right here. This is what an interactive web report looks like. Slides generates a summary of the engagement in the form of a slideshow, which can be exported as a .ppt file. Again, leaders can choose which thoughts and themes to highlight in this report, but many of the customization options are locked until the engagement is closed. Leaders can also choose which slides to include or hide. You can also click the Present button to move right into a slideshow presentation mode. The Leader Insight Report is a great way to share an overview of your engagement with other leaders who will have access to the results dashboard. The report summarizes a number of key elements, including statistics, keywords, and top thoughts, and provides links back to the relevant areas of the results dashboard if the leader wishes to take a deep dive. Something to keep in mind with these reports is that while shareable with anyone, the section links will only work for other leaders with access to the results dashboard. Anyone else will be redirected to the login screen at my.thoughtexchange.com. The data download feature allows leaders to export .csv files containing engagement and participant statistics, as well as a spreadsheet containing all the thoughts in the engagement, if relevant, along with their average rating score, rank, moderation status, and any themes they've been sorted into. The data download does not provide information about who shared the thoughts and does not link survey question responses to thoughts shared. If the engagement used the contact information feature that allows leaders to collect participant names and email addresses, that information can be downloaded here as a .csv file. This file only contains the names and email addresses of participants who chose to share them and does not link that information to their responses in order to preserve their anonymity. Finally, if your account is part of the beta testing phase, you may also have the option to view an insight to action report. Reach out to your ThoughtExchange rep to learn more about signing up for that beta. And that's all there is to the Reports tool. We hope you found this video useful. Until next time, happy thought exchanging.